What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Mike Vesley RC. This will be part 2 of the Tamiya TT-02 kit build. I think it's kit 5862. If you haven't seen the first one, click up here. Otherwise, stay tuned. Let's go. When putting together the front hub, make sure you grab the correct piece because there is a difference between the front hub carrier and the rear hub carrier. Had to get my backup grease for this fella. Go with 6 up on the top. Maybe try doing it the reverse way this time. See which one works easier. Definitely don't want to over tighten these. Your steering will be bound. Looks good there. Grease on the spindle here. Grease on the bushing. Drop the bushing in. Your spindle. Side 1. Grease. Drop it into the carrier. A little grease on the spindle. Moving right along. I don't know, I really think this is starting to come along and be recognizable as a car. Which way is up? Shorter side is up on top. Alright, I'm back. Took a little break there because my furnace kicked on and it's old and it's loud. So finish the other side. Grease up this dog bone. Put a little grease on this spindle. The shorter side is up on top. The more research I do about this project, the more I really get excited about it. I watched a number of YouTube videos the other night, and I was able to see a couple guys got their cars up over 90 and some even over 100 miles per hour. That's pretty impressive for an entry-level car like this. Really coming along. Instruction book here calls these dampers. Here in the States we call these shock absorbers. These are a little bit different than what I've done in the past. I'm used to the Schumacher kit, and these appear to be a little bit easier. I'm only going to put one together. It's going to be the same process for all four. I'll do the other three off camera. This goes right into that slit. We've got a spacer, the spring, push it in and turn. Voila. The right side. Time to put on the front shocks. This thing's really starting to look like a car now. Now this is one of the upgrades I've seen a lot of folks online do, is put oil-filled shocks on. I just don't know, with this being an on-road car, if it's worth it. I mean, you're not sending this thing to the moon. Let me know what you think below in the comments. We'll hurry up and speed this up as it's the same process as the front shocks. Alright, now we're going to assemble the steering linkage. Got to snap these little grommets in with a pair of pliers. insert these into the arms. Nope. I think it may be time to up my screwdriver game. And so now we'll attach the steering linkage one more time because my hands aren't greasy enough. Go ahead and put a little grease on there. Get that washer, if it'll come off my finger. Alright, there's one side. Just a little more grease. And one more piece. Now we have it. Steps 17 through 25. If you haven't already checked out the first video of this build, check it out now. If you guys like what you saw, hit the like button or subscribe. And as always, thanks for checking out Mike Vesley RC.